Hey everyone, so here is this photo scan app by PhotoMyne, and it's in the top charts in app stores. So probably you heard about Deep Nostalgia or My Heritage app. So this is the app, was some other app where you can just basically explore the DNA of your family, of your origins, but they also had a feature where you upload a photo or scan some old photo and it adds some animations and makes this photo move. And this feature from My Heritage app just went viral. So basically you have old photo, you can color it and this photo can move. So it's just an amazing feature. But now there are more apps which just are focusing on that specific feature, deep nostalgia feature. One of them is Photo Scan app, so it's one of the alternatives. So super interesting. Let's just explore how to get started. Um, and then let's just try and hold it. So now it's just you see that it can scan multiple photos. So super cool, and you see that the quality of the photo is significantly improved, and it also adds colors. You can also upgrade if you want to, and that's it. And then you can just add a new album and add photos and stuff like that. So that's the idea. Maybe it's possible also just to import. Okay. So yeah, there you have it. Hope it was helpful.